Hello, my name is Poonam Gaikwad and I will brief you about online fraud and scams. As we all know, brand called Amazon, I found a scam interrelated to this popular online shopping portal site. So let's see. So we all know about fake Amazon support calls. This is basically a variation of fake order confirmation scams you may have heard in the past. Usually this is like they would do an email, they send you a fake order confirmation and they'll say to cancel this order. It is a phishing thing. Well, it's different. They actually call you up on phone and do a robocall, and they may say something like this is an Amazon support and this is altering you to an unauthorized purchase of a product for 1,000. Press 1 to talk to customer service to cancel this. You talk to scammer and then they'll usually ask you for your credentials, and they'll say to cancel this you need to get your original credit card information, anything like that. So I'll play one audio clip to get an idea of what this is might sound like.
Suspicious activities in your iCloud account, that your iCloud account has been breached. Before using any Apple device, please contact the Apple Support Advisor. Press 1 to connect with Apple Support Advisor. Press 2 to listen to this message again. Or if you wish to contact us later, please call us on our toll-free number 208-262-0000. Thank you.
But just a note that it's a scam and unauthorized access to your account. So if you get one of these phone calls, never call the number that they'll tell you. Just if you're really unsure about it, then just go to an Amazon official website and contact them through their official number listed on the website. As a side note, if you ever get a robocall from this type of scam or any other, never press any numbers on the phone. Just hang up right away, because if they hear you pressing the number, then they'll know that it is your live working number and they may be added to the list and you start getting even more and more calls. The other kind of scam is package waiting scam. What's new about this? They have been actually sending out text messages, but previously it's a variation of kind like a fake order confirmation email you will receive like mentioned before. But now you may start getting text messages and they may even know your first name or something from data brokers and that sort of thing, and they'll say you have a package waiting from Amazon. Click to this link to find out more and how to receive it, that sort of thing. But when you click that link, it is going to take you what it looks like login page, probably the Amazon or whatever website they are saying they're from. But of course it's a phishing page and they're going to immediately steal your credentials and then use it to order from your real account and then take your money that way. But again, if you receive one of this, never click on the link. Even if you know that's a scam and you're curious what the website going to look like, don't do it, because they definitely have trackers on those links to know who's clicking the link and who's not. And then you're going to start to get even more text messages spam because they know you're on a working number.